toasted bread, lagyan natin ng homemade apple jam. So, itong apple jam with cinnamon lang to. Pinakuluan lang na medyo matagal. At nilagyan ng konting asukal. Yun, yung ating homemade apple jam. So, combine natin with peanut butter. So, usually, yung aming ginagamit ay marmalade or strawberry jam. So, this time, peanut butter and apple jam. So, yung usual pa rin with butter, with many butter. So, yan yung ating sandwich for today. Apple jam and peanut butter. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Please like the video. Bye!